Hello, please join me, SFWIP.
Hi, Sissy!
Wish I could be the one who could give you love, the kind of love you really need. Wish I could say to you that I always stay with you, but baby, that's not me.
You need someone willing to give the heart and soul to you. Promise you forever, baby, that's something I can't do.
Oh, I could say that I'll be all you need, but that would be a lie.
I know I only hurt you. I know I only make you cry.
I'm not the one you needed. I love
I
you.
love you. Goodbye. Bye, Sissy. I hope someday you can find some way to understand. I'm only doing this for you. I don't really wanna go, but deep in my heart I know this is the kindest things to do.
You'll find someone who'll be the one that I could never be, who'll give you something better than the love you'll find with me.
Oh, I could say I'll be all you need, but that would cry.
I know I don't only hurt you, I know I only make you cry. I'm not the one you needed. I love you. Goodbye.
Kiss ako, Sisi!
Leaving someone when you love someone is the